Hello students, in this video we are going to solve 3x minus 5 bracket whole power 5 minus 2x minus 3 bracket whole power 5 minus x minus 2 bracket whole power 5 and divide by 3x minus 5 bracket whole power 3 minus 2x minus 3 bracket whole power 3 and minus x minus 2 bracket whole power 3. This is equals to 65. Here we will find out the value of x and x belongs to real number. Now look carefully this expression. If we substitute this expression is a and this expression is b, then if you find a minus b, then you will get x minus 2. So here we will apply substitution method. If we substitute, a is equals to 3x minus 5 and b is equals to 2x minus 3. Now if we subtract this equation from this, then you get minus minus plus, then here a minus b in left hand side and in right hand side 3x minus 2x, that is x, minus 5 plus 3, that is minus 2. Here if we substitute, this expression is a and this expression is b, then this expression is a minus b. So here this expression is replaced by a, then a power 5 minus b power 5 minus x minus 2 is replaced by a minus b, then here a minus b bracket power 5 and divide by, here 3x minus 5 is replaced by a, then a power 3 minus b power 3 minus x minus 2 is replaced by a minus b bracket power 3 and this is equals to 65. In numerator we have a minus b whole power 5. We know that the algebraic identity of a minus b whole power 5 and also we know that a minus b bracket whole power 3. In numerator, first a power 5 minus b power 5 minus a minus b whole power 5 is same as a power 5 minus 5 times a power 4 and then b plus 10 times a power 3 and then b power 2 minus 10 times a power 2 b power 3 and then plus 5 times a b power 4 and minus b power 5 and divide by a power 3 minus b power 3 minus a minus b whole power 3 is same as a power 3 minus 3 times a square b plus 3ab square minus b power 3 and this is equals to 65. Now in numerator a power 5 minus b power 5 and here this minus is multiplied inside the bracket, then here minus a power 5 minus a power 5 plus 5 times a power 4 b and then minus 10 times a power 3 b power 2 plus 10 times a power 2 b power 3 minus 5 times a b power 4 and then plus b power 5 and divide by, in denominator if we multiply this minus inside the bracket, then here a power 3 minus b power 3, a power 3 minus b power 3, then this minus is multiplied by a power 3, then here minus a power 3 and then plus 3a square b minus 3ab square and then plus b power 3. This is equals to 65. Here this a power 5 is positive and this a power 5 is negative. This is cancel out. B power 5 is negative and this b power 5 is positive, is cancel out. And here a power 3 and here minus a power 3 is cancel out and here minus b power 3 and here b power 3 is cancel out. In numerator we have 5 times a power 4b minus 10 times a power 3 b power 2 plus 10 times a power 2 b power 3 minus 5 times a b power 4 and divide by 3 times a power 2b minus 3 times a b power 2, and this is equals to 65. In numerator, if we take common 5 times ab, then here we get a power 3 minus 10 times a power 3 b power 2 is divided by 5 times ab, then you will get 2 times a square b plus 10 times a power 2 b power 3 is divided by 5 times ab, then you will get 2 times a b power 2, and here minus 5 times a b power 4 is divided by 5 times ab, then you will get b power 3, and divide by, look carefully this part, if we take common 3 times ab, then you will get a minus b, and this is equals to 65. This a times b and this a times b is cancel out, then 5 times a power 3 minus 2 times a power 2b plus 2 times a b power 2 minus b power 3, and divide by 3 times a minus b, this is equals to 65. Now if we divide both side 5, then in left hand side this 5 and this 5 is cancel out, a power 3 minus 2 times a power 2 b plus 2 times a b power 2 minus b power 3, and divide by 3 times a minus b, and this is equals to 65 divided by 5, then we get 13. Now if we multiplied both sides 3 minus ab, here 3 times a minus b, and here if we multiplied by 3 times a minus b, then 3 times a minus b is cancelled out by this 3 times a minus b, then in left hand side a power 3 minus 2 times a power 2b plus 2 times a b power 2 minus b power 3, and this is equals to 13 times 3 is 39 times a minus b. In left hand side, here we make a minus b whole cube. Here we know that the algebraic identity a minus b whole cube is a cube minus 3 times a square b plus 3a times b square minus b cube. So that's why here a power 3 minus 2 times a square b. If we add minus a square b and then plus 2 times ab square, and here if we add a b square and minus b power 3, and then here a square b is negative, so that's why here plus a square b is positive, and here if we add a b square, then here subtract a b square, and this is equals to 39 times a minus b. Then a cube minus 2 times a square b minus a square b is minus 3 times a square b plus 2 times ab square plus ab square is 3 times ab square minus b power 3, and here look carefully, if we take common a times b, then here a minus b, this is equals to 39 times a minus b. Then here this expression is a minus b whole cube. Then a minus b whole cube plus a times b, a minus b, and if we take this expression in left hand side, then here minus 39 times a minus b, and this is equals to 0. Here a minus b whole cube, a minus b, a minus b. If we take common a minus b, then a minus b is common, then here a minus b whole square, a minus b whole square, and here if we take a minus b is common, then a times b plus a times b minus 39, this is equals to 0. Minus 39, this is equals to 0. Here product of two expressions is 0, then we can say if a minus b is equals to 0 or a minus b whole square plus a times b minus 39, this is equals to 0. A minus b is equals to 0, and we know that value of a minus b is x minus 2. Then here x minus 2, this is equals to 0, so it means x is equals to 2. But students, look carefully. Here x is equals to 2. If we substitute in given equation, then x is equals to 2 is not satisfied the given equation. Here if we substitute x is equals to 2, then the given equation is not satisfied. So that's why I will say x is equals to 2 is not solution. Is not solution of this equation. Now we know that value of a is 3x minus 5 and a minus b is x minus 2. Then this a minus b is replaced by x minus 2. Then here x minus 2 whole square plus, and a is replaced by 3x minus 5. Here 3x minus 5, and b is replaced by 2x minus 3. 2x minus 3 minus 39, and this is equals to 0. Here we will apply a minus b whole square, and we know that a minus b whole square is a square plus b square minus 2 times ab. If we apply this rule, then here x minus 2 whole square is x square plus 4 minus 4x plus 3 times x is multiplied by 2x minus 3, then we get 6 times x square minus 9 times x, and minus 5 is multiplied by 2x minus 3, then we get minus 10 times x plus 15 minus 39, this is equals to 0. Here x square plus 6x square is 7x square minus 4x minus 9x minus 10x, that is minus 23x plus 4 plus 15, that is plus 19, and minus 39, that is minus 20, and this is equals to 0. This is quadratic equation in terms of x. Here 7 times x square minus 23 times x minus 20, this is equals to 0. Here we will apply middle term split. Then 7 times x square minus 23 times x is minus 28 times x plus 5 times x minus 20, and this is equals to 0. Look carefully these two terms. Here if we take common 7 times x, then 7 times x square is divided by 7 times x, then we get x. Minus 28 times x is divided by 7 times x, then we get 4. And here if we take common plus 5, then x minus 4, this is equals to 0. X minus 4 is common. If we take x minus 4 is common, then here 7x plus 5, and this is equals to 0. And we know that if a times b, this is equals to 0, this implies a is equals to 0 or b is equals to 0. If we apply this rule, then we can say x minus 4, this is equals to 0, or 7x plus 5, this is equals to 0. Then here value of x is 4, and here value of 7x is equals to minus 5. Now if we divide both sides 7, then value of x is minus 5 over 7. Then here we have two solutions, x is equals to 4 and x is equals to minus 5 over 7. Students, this is our final answer. I hope you enjoy this video. See you in the next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.